भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेव भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्रा अस्थिरैरङ्गैस्तु अस्तु वांस अस्तुनुभिः व्यसेम देवहितं यदायु स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धस्सवा स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदा स्वस्ति नस्तार्थो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिः दधातु ओम शांति शांति शांति. O gods, may we hear auspicious words with the ears while engaged in sacrifices. May we see auspicious things with the eyes while praising the gods. With steady limbs, may we enjoy a life that is beneficial to the gods. May Indra of ancient fame be auspicious to us. May the all-knowing Kusa be propitious to us. May Garuda, the destroyer of evil, be well disposed towards us. May Brihaspati ensure our welfare. Om peace, peace, peace. मांडुक्य उपनिषद मंत्रा 1 से ओम इति एतद् अक्षरम इदं सर्वं तस्य उपव्याख्यानं भूतं भवत् भविष्यत् इति सर्व ओंकार एव यच्च अन्यत् त्रिकालातीतं तदपि ओंकार एव. All this universe is a clear explosion of the letter Om. All that is past, present and future is verily Om, and whatever is beyond the three periods of time that is unmanifested is also truly Om. As all these objects that are indicated by names are non-different from the names, and as the names are non-different from Om, so Om is verily all this, and as the Supreme Brahman is done through relationship subsisting between name and its object, it too is but Om. Whatever is circumscribed by the three periods of time is but Om, and whatever else there is that is beyond the three periods of time, that is inferable from its effects, but is not circumscribed by time, that is unmanifested, and the rest, that too is verily Om. मंत्र 2 से सर्वम ही एतत् ब्रह्म अयम आत्मा ब्रह्म सोयम आत्मा चतुष्पाद. All this universe is surely Brahman. The self is Brahman. The self, such as it is possessed of 4 quarters. 4 quarters are waking, dream, deep sleep, and consciousness, the fourth, which remains present in previous 3 states. मंत्र 3 से जागृत स्थानो बहिष्प्रज्ञा सप्तांग एको विंशित मुख स्थूल भूक वैश्वानर प्रथम पाद. The first quarter is Vaishwana, whose sphere of action is waking state, whose consciousness relates to the things external, who is possessed of 7 limbs and 19 mouths, and who enjoys gross objects in 7 limbs. Heaven is verily the head of Vaishwana, the sun is the eye, air is the vital force, space is the middle part, water is the bladder, the earth is indeed the 2 feet, and fire is his mouth, as mentioned in Chandogya Upanishad, chapter 5:18-2. 19 mouths are 5 sense organs, such as eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. 5 motor organs, such as heads, feet, mouth, and 2 excretory organs. 5 vital forces, such as pran, apan, udan, vyan, and saman. And 4 mind stuff, such as mind, intellect, ego, and memory. मंत्रा 4 से स्वप्न स्थानो अंतःप्रज्ञा सप्तांग एको विंशित मुख प्रयुक्त भूक तेजसो द्वितीय पाद. Second quarter is Tejas, having the dream state as his sphere of activity. The consciousness of the waking state appears to be engrossed in the external objects and lives in the mind. Corresponding impressions, like a piece of painted canvas, it makes its appearance in the dream state just as in the waking state, but without any external means. As said in Brihadanyak Upanishad 4:3-9, so yatra prosopiti asya lokasya sarvavato matram padai स्वयं विहत्य स्वयं निर्वाय स्वयं भाषा स्वयं ज्योतिषा prosopiti atrayam purusha स्वयं ज्योतिर्भवति. When he dreams, he takes away little of the impressions of this waking state. He himself puts the body aside and himself creates a dream body in its place, revealing his own luster by his own light and dreams. In this state, the man himself becomes the light. प्रश्न उपनिषद 4:5 से अत्रेस देव स्वप्ने महिमा मानव अनुभवति यद दृष्टम दृष्टम अनुपश्यति सुतम सुतम एव अर्थम अनुशृणोति देश दिगंतरेश्च प्रत्यय अनुभूतं पुनः पुनः प्रत्यय अनुभवति दृष्टं च अदृष्टं च श्रुतं च अश्रुतं च अनुभूतं च अननुभूतं च सत् च असत् च सर्वं पश्यति सर्वः पश्यति. In this state, the mind experiences greatness. It sees again what it has seen, hears again what it was heard, experiences again and again what it had experienced in different places and directions. It perceives all by becoming all that was seen and not seen, heard and not heard, experienced and not experienced, real or unreal. It sees all by becoming all.